David. $10 says he tells us not to come over. Okay, let's see. Hey, we're just getting a signature. I mean, that'll wear off naturally. I mean, you'll get back to your own rhythm. It's not even a... Oh, fuck. Oh, it's time for practice. Fuck, dude. Hey, it's Sam. Hello? Hello, am I speaking to Sam Collins? You are? Who's asking? My name is David Shaw. I'm the alpha of the Shaw Pack of Dahlia. Oh, do you need to get more? Hold on. This is David. Greg. I heard cats. And look who it is. Where's that caffeine boost when you need it? Yeah, here, go for it. Hey, fancy meeting you here. Is the big guy pawning me off on you? Someday we'll catch a break, but not today. Here. Now you know better than me that if you don't answer that goofball, he's just gonna keep calling. I'll use the time to get dressed. Or not. Good morning. Max, can I go on my lunch now? Thank you for calling Max's Rustic Pizza.
Trying to pull up to my crib, I think you really gotta go.